Nick.
And this is Bethany. And today we're going to be doing some sweet marble effects using Easy Marble by Marabou in partnership with Darice.
Here we are adding Darice's Marabou Easy Marble to water. You don't have to go crazy with this, but make it look good.
I think what he means is you can add as much or as little as you want and use any combination of color.
Using a toothpick or a skewer, we're sweeping it across the water, making a marble pattern.
Once you have the swirls the way you want, go ahead and dip your item in slowly.
Like magic.
We had so much fun with this project, and now we're just looking around our house for other things that we can dip and get this marble effect on. As always, be sure to like and subscribe to our videos. And as always, if you do any of our projects, please tag us on social media. We're at Reality Daydream.
Okay.
Okay.